Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to cover bank reconciliation case where we are receiving a bulk payment from our payment processor merchant like any credit card or any online payment merchant. So how you can do that particular transaction when you are receiving the bulk deposit from your credit card or payment terminal merchants. So over here, first thing is we have to go to accounting and we will create a journal. So the journal will be a kind of journal which requires a payment merchant. So we have created one journal, type is bank, sequence is credit card like CC1, and I am receiving any payment into this payment merchant account when people are paying via that POS terminal. So this is all set. And I am also reconciling over here. If I don't want reconciliation, then I need to replace this particular account over here. So now I don't want any reconciliation, but this is required. That is number one thing. Second thing is we would like to create one expense account. That expense account will belong to the credit card merchant fees. So I am just checking all my expense type account over here, and then I am creating a new account like merchant fees. Type is expense. The second thing is when we are trying to reconcile, we need to create a model like merchant fees. And we would like to associate this with only bank type journal, and account is merchant fees that we are going to use it over here. So CC merchant fees. Now these are all set. Now let's create some customer invoices over here. Like customer 1 is buying something related to 150 rupees. Confirm it. Customer 2 is buying something worth 400 rupees. And then customer 3 is buying something worth 500 rupees. So this is paid because I don't have anything. Quantity is 1. Let me correct it to 400 as a price tag. So these three transactions are there and everyone is paying via payment merchant. So I am creating payment and it is all going to paid because I don't want to reconcile with my payment merchant over here. So I am reconciling everything with my payment merchant direct payment creation. So when I go to my dashboard, I can clearly see I have 1050 rupees of balance in my payment merchant, and now payment merchant will transfer everything to our bank. So I am creating an internal transfer to bank advice that they will do automatically. So 1050 will be transferred. And then over here we will choose internal transfer. So over here it will directly go into liquidity transfer account. So now if you check your books, you will see under current asset liquidity transfer account will hold this balance until we receive this into bank. Now in bank what happens? So bank will receive, let's say 1000 rupees only. So received bulk payment from credit card merchant, and over here they may receive, let's say 1020 rupees only. So over here what we will do against this 1020 rupees, we will first book the internal transfer. So when we book internal transfer, okay, it will take 1020 rupees only. So if I do this way, then what happens is I will still hold a remaining balance. So under my balance sheet, you can see 30 rupees balance is still present in liquidity transfer. But if I want to reconcile everything in this transaction, I will change this amount to 1050, and then a 30 rupees balance will be open. So this 30 rupees, now it is open, I will use that merchant fees as an account. So you can see now very clearly within one transaction of 1020, I am transferring entire liquidity transfer balance 1050 over here, and reconciling 1020 goes to my bank and 30 goes to merchant fees. So this is how I am reconciling entire transaction. So now when I see my balance sheet, it will clear this liquidity transfer, it will hold the 1020 as a transaction in my bank, and when I move to my profit and loss account, now I can see the merchant fees will hold the rest of the balance over here. So this is how you can cleanly reconcile your entire bulk payment transfer from your credit card merchant to Odoo in this Odoo 19 new interface. This use case can help many people, many functional consultant or accountant, to utilize that entire transaction and change into or split into multiple account setup based on the remaining balance. If you have any question, reach out to us on techvaria.com or my LinkedIn or YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Good day.